All right, so we're going to do some more examples with fractions on a number line. So when we have a number line, a line of numbers, I'm going to draw a line across. This is like the racing I just showed you before. This is going to represent 0, the beginning, and then the end I'm going to have represent 1. So if we're thinking of like a racetrack, this is one whole race. If we're thinking about it, you can even think about it like, I like to use food, a candy bar, then this entire space would be one whole candy bar. So let's split it up into different parts and see if we can figure out, did I split it up into halves or thirds or fourths or fifths, sixths, sevenths, so on and so on. So if I put a spot right here, what do you think I split my number line into? How many equal parts do you see? So for this time, I have from 0 to here, that's one part. And then from here to 1, that's 2 parts. So I have 2 equal parts, which means I have just created halves on my number line because I have 2 equal parts. So if I get rid of these, this space right here represents 1/2 because we have 1 space out of 2 spaces. That is 1/2. All right, we're going to try another one. Let me redraw my number line. Again, this is going to be 0. This is going to be 1. This time, let's see. All right, I split it up into parts. So if you think about running a race, so you start here. Here's one part you ran to this point. So that's one part you ran. Then you run to this point, another part, and then here is where you would finish it. So thinking about if you're breaking it up into pieces. So how many parts did I just split this up into? Let's see if you're right. We had 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts. So I just split this up into fourths because it has 4 equal parts. So if I said this was a race and you are at this point right here, that's where you are in your race. What fraction of the race have you completed? So I already know I split the race up into fourths. So now I'm thinking, how many fourths have I done? So this is 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So right here represents 3/4 of the way. You still have 1 more fourth to go. You're not out of the race yet, but you have completed 3 out of the 4 parts. All right, let's see. What if we have our 0 and our 1? All right, so let's see. All right. How many equal parts are there in between 0 and 1? Not how many lines. I'm not talking about the lines here. I'm talking about the spaces between the lines. So this is 1 part. 2 parts. So how many parts do I have total? Let's see if you got it. There's 1 part, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 different parts. So that means I split this up into eighths. Eighths. All right, so let's see what fraction is right here. All right, so let's think. I know I'm talking eighths, but how many eighths have I gone? I've gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 eighths. So that would be how you can use a number line to represent fractions.